Before a damaged panel can be repaired, the technician needs to prepare by completing the following steps. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. Body panel preparation begins with cleaning the damaged area first with soap and water and then with the appropriate wax and grease remover. Once this is complete, wipe the area dry with a clean cloth. This process removes any potential contaminants from the repair area. Next, remove any coatings from the damaged area with a Norton Beartex Blaze Rapid Blend 3-inch Speedlock disc, or in the event of low spots, a Norton Beartex half-inch coarse file belt. With the area cleaned and coatings removed, repair the dent using an industry-accepted method. Once the metal finish is complete, feather edge the surrounding area using a DA sander and Norton Multi-Air Cyclonic P80 grit disc. Once the edges are properly feathered, the repair area is now ready for body filler application.